Alright guys, here's how you can blend two photo in one. So I'm gonna blend this eagle in this background. So first, select the eagle or photo that you guys wanted to blend and choose this tool, which is called lasso, or just press on L. Now select as you wanted to. But make sure that you have selected this object that you wanted to blend. So just select like that. Now once you guys have select, right click here and make sure to click on layer via copy and go to the background that you guys wanted to blend here and control V to paste, and it should look like that. Now you can use this move tool and control T to transform this eagle or object, so you can resize like how big you want it to go this when you guys try to blend this. And once you guys are happy with this transformation, hit an enter. You will need to unlock this background as well. So unlock this background and hold on shift and then also select this layer 1. All right, make sure to select both of this layer. So now hit on edit and scroll down and hit on this auto blend layers. So here you can find panorama and stack image. You need to do is stack image and make sure to choose both of this seamless tones, colors, and content over fill transplant areas. And hit an OK. It should take some time. And there you go, guys. This is how you should blend two photos easy as it is. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video useful. See you guys in the next video. Peace.